Hello friends, welcome to this course on information and network security. The course code is BIS703. In this lecture, we will explore the fundamental concepts of how data, systems and the networks are secured in today's digital world. We live in a world where almost everything is connected. Our phones, banks, workplaces and even the homes. But with this connectivity comes the risk. Cyber attacks, data theft, digital fraud are becoming increasingly common. That is why understanding information security is not just optional, it has become an essential one for today's life. Information security is the practice of protecting data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, or destruction. The main three goals, often called CIA triad, are confidentiality, integrity, and availability. We will explore each of these in detail in the coming sessions. So that's what we are looking at. So getting to the first module, that is the introduction. We need to understand what the term crypto means. Crypto has three versions. One which is called a cryptology. It's a art and science of making and breaking the secret codes. That's a cryptology. Cryptography is just making the secret codes, whereas cryptanalysis is breaking the secret codes. So on one side we have cryptography, that is making the information secret, and other side is the cryptanalysis, that is trying to break the secret. The total is the cryptology, that's an art of making and breaking secret codes. Crypto is a synonym used for any or all of the above, where the precise meaning should be clear from the context. If we are talking in general, then we are referring to both converting text into a secret version or the other way, or if we are at the sending end, then we refer to the cryptography, and if we are at the receiving end, then we are at a cryptanalysis. So depending on the context, it is to be decided what crypto means. So pictorially, if you want to talk, then we have some input. So for a better understanding, let us take a textual input. So we have a plain text, and that plain text is encrypted, and after encryption we get a ciphertext, and this ciphertext is what we call a secret code, and converting the plain text into ciphertext is encryption, or we can call it cryptography. And this ciphertext is made to reach the other end to whom we want to communicate, and the other end it is decrypted and we get back the plain text. So the conversion of ciphertext back to the plain text is a cryptanalysis, where we are breaking the secret codes. That's a one version. But in general, if we don't know how to get back, then we need to do extra circus, and that extra circus is what we call analysis. So whatever it is, how do you make sure that it is known only to the correct person or it reaches only to the correct place, then what we do is make use of what we call a key. Key is one that is decided by both the ends together sitting, and they decide what key they should use, and that key will be used for encryption, and that same key can be used for decryption. So that type of thing what we call is so that's one version of it, and other way we have many details to look at. So there is something called a Kirchhoff law, Kirchhoff's principle, and that states that a cipher must not be required to be a secret, and it must be able to fall into the hands of the enemy without the inconvenience. The design of the cipher is not secret, but the key is secret. The security design itself is open to public scrutiny. So what actually Kirchhoff is trying to explain is, when we talk about a secure system, then after encryption the cipher text should be easily available to anyone, but should not be able to understand it. Anyone can get it, but should not be able to understand. That's the first thing. And second thing is the logic used to encrypt and decrypt the algorithms need not be secret. They are well known, but only what is secret is the key. So with this what happens is the process is known to everyone, therefore we don't have to worry about explaining the process. When two people want to communicate, and they just decide upon what process to take up just by using the name of the process instead of defining all the process together. So there are standard processes available, so just define which process to use, so both ends know what is the process. And then just what is important here is the key to be used for encryption and decryption and all that. So what is important here is the cipher text should be made available to the public, and the public should be allowed to decrypt it without providing the key, and the power of our crypto is understood by how difficult it is to decrypt the cipher text. So the more difficult it is, the better our encryption system is. So this is understood only when public is allowed to scrutinize our cipher system. So that's what we would like to begin with. Many more issues to come, so please keep watching the videos, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so that the next videos you get notifications. So thank you.